Statistically, you're not going to beat the market long term, but your best chance to make the most of it is probably through an index. In this video, I'm going to show you how we structure the Invest Like Stable index and why it fits well into any long-term investment strategy. My name is Răzvan Dumitrașcu and I'm part of the technical team responsible with putting together the Stakeboard DAO white paper and the management of the asset allocation inside the index. We at Stakeboard have a vision to create better ways to invest in the crypto space. Our indexes assist investors in gaining macro exposure to the crypto industry while maintaining an appropriate degree of diversification. Our first index, Invest Like Stable Index, or ILSI for short, is designed to capture value from all the key narratives in the space. It is based on a modified market capitalization structure with upper and lower caps in order to reduce the dominance of a group of few components and to have a better risk-reward profile. Aside from the most important assets in the market, Bitcoin and Ethereum, we are curating the space and we are selecting the top assets from macro segments such as smart contract platforms, oracles or Web 3.0, DeFi, exchange tokens or NFTs. I want to take this opportunity to share with you the reason for the inclusion of each token into our investment basket, because it is important to understand the long-term vision of this index. On an asset-by-asset basis, we have picked Bitcoin and Ethereum because these will continue to be the main drivers of adoption, institutional interest and market growth. Their proportions in the index are capped as mentioned before. In terms of other smart contract platforms, which is a highly competitive field, ILSI includes Terra, an ecosystem of decentralized stablecoin tokens with a thriving DeFi platform, a dedicated investment fund which has backing from the top VCs in the sector, multi-chain interoperability and total value locked, which puts it in the top 3 to 5 chains. Chainlink is our oracle pick, being the leading player in the market and having a high degree of innovation and high retention rates amongst its partnerships. Exchange tokens include FTX, given its increasing market share and attention it is paying to regulations, plus DYDX, given its position as the leading DEX per purchase only focused platform, which has an exciting rollout plan of new transaction pairs and new features. Our DeFi segment encapsulates leading projects active in markets that have significant potential given their TradFi correspondent. We have selected projects in markets such as lending and borrowing, Aave, derivatives, synthetics, and structured products, Bondbridge. All of these projects have backing from well-known VCs in the space, including Three Arrows Capital, Coinbase Ventures, and Morgan Creek. We couldn't ignore the NFT and metaverse trend, and we have included Engine in our construct. Engine, the pioneer of the ERC 1155 standard, is an OG in the space, building an NFT issuance ecosystem with a focus on gaming, flexibility, and multi-chain interoperability. Putting this all together, you get what we believe to be one of the most solid investment portfolios based on the current market conditions. Any smart investor knows it is easier to track and DCA into an index rather than holding all of the tokens separately. Here at Stakeboard, we truly believe that combining indexes and DAO provides investors with the right setup of being part of the Web 3.0 investor community. It entails mixing the potential of the digital index market to replicate the benefits that these instruments have brought to investors in the traditional finance industry with the voting power, staking or yield farming opportunities that you get by holding DAO tokens. In our next video, our CEO Vlad Mercori will share with you what we believe to be the optimum distribution between tokens and indexes and how you could take advantage of this technological revolution.